Is it true Israel is nearing herd immunity at this point?
Yes, the experts are saying yes, because we're a small country, 9.3 million people. 2 million of them are children youth under 16. They can't be vaccinated. 800,000 people were sick already. So we have a 5.5 million Israelis approximately that were vaccinated already once, and 5 million that were vaccinated twice, which means that around more than 80% for those that are eligible are vaccinated.
Okay.
We are the leading country in the world, and we are very proud of this. And I'm very, very proud that among those that were vaccinated in Israel, as far as I know, we are the first country in the world that vaccinated the Filipinos, OFWs. 30,000 of them are in Israel, vaccinated twice by Pfizer with no cost. It's part of the insurance. In addition, the students, hundreds of students from Tesla were vaccinated, and all the staff of the Filipino embassy in Israel. And when they come back home, they will feel safe.
Yeah, Ambassador, like we said, we want to learn from all nations' experiences, both good and bad. But because we want to get lessons from Israel, but let's put that into context. How different was the experience of Israel with COVID? Particularly, how bad did it get, if at all?
It get pretty bad. I was twice during COVID in Israel. We had 3 lockdowns. At the peak, we got close to 10,000 people that were sick every day. Yesterday, we had only 13 new cases of COVID. I think the success is first and foremost with getting the vaccines. I think that this is very important, and not just vaccine. Pfizer, Israel is like the laboratory for all the world. All the world are looking at Israel. And why they picked Israel? Because we have a well-known public health system with a national health law, which there is no private sector involved. It's only HMOs, and it's working perfectly. We have, they call us the startup nation because we have the technology, and the way it goes, you go and get the first shot of the vaccine, and during the 15 minutes that you need to wait afterwards to see if there are no side effects, and there are no major side effects, I can tell you, you get a text message with the date for the second shot. And the same, after 21 days, you go for the second shot, and immediately you get a passport that you were vaccinated. So this is how it works. And at the peak, we vaccinated 200,000 people a day. We are a country of 9.3 million people.
Yeah.
So now there's no age limit, and we're very proud of this. Social distance is also an issue. The lockdown was very tough on our economy. At the peak of the lockdown, we had close to 40% unemployment. Today, the numbers are down to 8%, and before COVID, it was around 4.5% to 5%. So we are moving bilis, very fast. The economy is moving.
Ambassador, how much excess vaccine do you have right now that you can probably share with developing countries like the Philippines?
Well, I don't know how much we have now, but I know that we are waiting for the approval of the FDA for the vaccination of the children between 12 and 16. And according to this, again,
you're already preparing for that.
In Israel, only Pfizer and Moderna are approved until now. Okay. And they are keeping those because Israel is very young population. So if the ages of 12 and 16 will be approved by FDA as soon as they say, probably in June, then probably Israel will follow it, and then it will be another project. But you have to know that we are thinking already to 2022. And according to our estimation, there will be a need probably for a third shot, a booster, which will also cover all those variants that we see now. So Israel signed an agreement, I think, with both Pfizer and Moderna 2 weeks ago for the supply of 16 million doses. Again, we are 9 million, don't forget. For 2022, this is already eyeing towards the next year. So what we have learned is you need to plan, you need to put the budget for it, and you need to, this is the most important, to have a health system can distribute. So you can't have private organizations or private people purchasing a vaccine. Actually, you can't buy a vaccine in Israel. Those that receive it is for free. You can't buy. That's how it works, and only run by the government.